Hey everybody, I am here to explain to you Maplewood's Away for the Day policy. Away for the Day means that we do not use our cell phones during the school day at Maplewood. And this also goes for headphones and it also goes for earbuds. It goes for any of the technology that you might bring to school that might fit into your pocket. Definitely not your laptops. You're going to need those for school this year. So the reason that Maplewood does Away for the Day is that your job when you're at school is to focus on your learning. And we all know how it is when you have a cell phone in your hand. It's hard to stay focused on what you are doing, except for your cell phone. And so, if you're going to be a responsible student and an engaged student, then we need to make sure that those cell phones are away. Also, we know that young students, as you guys are learning how to navigate the world of social media and navigate social relationships, those are really hard things to do. And having a cell phone at your fingertips when you're at school makes it so that you have to juggle school and that social emotional well-being. And we want to make sure that we help you to stay being a healthy student who uses technology in the right way. So here is what you need to know. Of course, you can bring your cell phone and electronic devices to school. Many of you need them to get in touch with your families before and after school. That is really, really important. But you need to make sure that those cell phones and electronic devices are put away during the school day. That's why it's called Away for the Day. And now this year, since you'll be carrying backpacks, your backpack is a great place for your cell phone. A pocket is a decent place, but definitely still more tempting than your backpack. But the point is that when you are at school, once school has started, your phone is away for the day. Away for the day is out of sight for the day, out of temptation for you to want to reach and use it. There are some exceptions meaning times that you can use it. So really, let's get rid of this, right? There's times that you can use it. You may use your cell phones and headphones at breakfast when you're eating in your first hour or fourth hour. You can use it during lunch when you are eating during either third hour or sixth hour. And you also can use it before school when you're waiting in your classrooms for school to start. So breakfast is a yes, lunch is a yes, and before 7:30 is a yes. There's also going to be times where your teacher wants you to use the headphones for videos and things like that in class and with your laptops. That's totally okay. Your teacher will tell you when it's okay to use your phone. So what's going to happen if you make mistakes? Mistakes happen, and we want to make sure that every time you make a mistake that you learn from it so that you can be better next time. So the first time this happens in class, your teacher will take the cell phone or electronic device from you for the period. You'll get it back at the end of the hour, but they will take it from you just for that short amount of time so that you can think about it and make sure you're better next time. If you make a mistake a second time, the device is going to be taken from you for the day and will stay in the office. You can pick it up at the end of the day and go on your way with your cell phone, and that's it. Third offense. Here is where we're going to work with you and we're going to work with your family, and you will not be able to have that device at school for 5 days. If you are a student that needs your cell phone, which many students are, then we will happily babysit that phone for you in the office for 5 days, but it cannot be with you in class or in your backpack for those 5 days. And then the last one is that you'll have a plan developed. After 4 offenses, a plan will be developed with your family that involves you not being able to bring your phone to school. And that might be for the rest of the trimester. And so that is a bigger, more serious one. For the most part, people and students are very good about making a mistake once, and that happens, and they learn from it. And if they don't learn from their mistakes after a second or third time, there's more consequences. For all these reasons, Maplewood is an away for the day school. We do not use our cell phones for anything other than educational purposes from the hours of 7:30 to 11:30 during the day.